I'm here to introduce you to 50 Asks in 50 Weeks, which is a development planning concept to help you raise significantly more money if you're in a small development shop. And the 3 key strategies to raising more money with 50 Asks in 50 Weeks is 1, it's important to ask frequently. There's actually a direct correlation to the number of times you ask and the amount of money that you raise for your organization. And too many small shops are caught up in day-to-day tasks of writing newsletters, managing databases, planning events, and they forget or don't do the most important thing, which is asking. So asking frequently is a key concept. But also, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality as well. So it doesn't help you to ask 100 times and get 0 gifts. You have to be smart about your fundraising too. The third important concept for 50 Asks in 50 Weeks is having a diversified funding base. So you want to make sure that you have a lot of sources of income, and you're not relying too heavily on 1 or 2 sources, maybe government or 1 or 2 big funders, because if those sources, something happens to them, your organization would be in real trouble. So that's a snapshot of 50 Asks in 50 Weeks, a development planning tool to help you raise significantly more money, but you need to ask more. Thank you.